The History and Future of Bitcoin and Cryptocurrencies by Kayla Patterson. Bitcoin was created in 2008 and is defined as the world's first decentralized digital currency. A decentralized currency is a way of transferring wealth or commodities without the need of a third party's involvement. Many banks have prohibited financial institutions from the use of Bitcoin, and several countries are now putting restrictions on cryptocurrency due to large causes of fraud, black market scams, and untraceable transactions that are commonly taking place. The first big purchase using Bitcoin was for two Papa John's companies. It was traded for 10,000 Bitcoins, which would be valued today at around $461 million. A fun fact about Bitcoin is that its original creator, Satoshi Nakamoto, has never actually revealed himself to the public and continues to remain a hidden identity. Bitcoin is a very controversial topic. It is illegal in several countries including Ecuador, Egypt, Pakistan, and the United Arab Emirates. Many countries are wary about Bitcoin because it is incapable of being regulated, which gives them less control and makes it very prone to illegal and criminal activity. Bitcoin can also circumvent capital controls, which governments also don't want, as well as that Bitcoin itself uses lots of energy, which further contributes to environmental problems being currently faced. Bitcoin also has several advantages to it. It is known for its liquidity and accessibility, as well as its high return potential. It is these skills that make Bitcoin so appealing to the market it is aiming for. Remaining anonymous is also an advantage to Bitcoin, as it allows you to secure transactions being known or unknown based on personal preference. There is no way to add taxes to Bitcoins, which gives the people using it the primary power rather than the government, which is what most are used to. Although widely known and used, many people still have issues with Bitcoin. It is these problems that have allowed newer currencies to be created and shared, as well as provide more efficient use. Solana is a type of currency that is newer and can take on 65,000 transactions per second compared to Bitcoin's 4.6 transactions per second. No matter what company you prefer, cryptocurrency is growing quickly and continuing to spread globally, and that is a fact. This is the future of trade, and it is only going to get bigger and more advanced as time goes on.